Welcome back, viewers. I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video, I'm going to take up one more word from Tharoorosaurus, a book written by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. And in this video, I'm going to take up the word Brickbat. Exactly. And here we go with the PPT. It's a noun, an unfavorable criticism, unkind remark, or put down. So it is to deal with the criticism. Uses the politician's performance in his constituency merited the several brickbats thrown at him by his critics. And Dr. Shashi Tharoor gives his own example in the book, and I found it that very interesting, and that's why I'm sharing the exact word from the book as an example or a sentence for uses. Poor Shashi Tharoor has both bouquets and brickbats showered on his head daily for anything he says. So this has been the fifth word. Let me remind you: agathocecological, apostrophe, heptagram, authorism, and now brickbat. Thank you for watching. If you are new on this channel, kindly do subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.